guys, it's Kiki, and today I'm going to be showing you guys 11 ways to instantly make your notes neater. Make sure to stick around for 9, 10 and 11 because they are my best tips to effectively make your notes neater. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. The first way is to find the right writing utensil. Finding a good pen, pencil or paper to write with is extremely important. I use the big Crystal M ballpoint pen. I'm absolutely in love with this because it glides so smoothly and is the perfect thickness for me. The second way is to use good quality paper. Investing in a more expensive notebook with high quality paper definitely makes writing neatly so much easier. Depending on how smooth the paper is, it can change how easily your pen, pencil or paper glides. The third way is to write with paper underneath. If you write your notes in a notebook, this does not apply, but if you use loose binder paper, then writing with couple layers of paper underneath or another notebook really helps in writing neater because it allows your pen, pencil or paper to glide smoothly across the page. The fourth way is to experiment with how you hold your writing utensil. I like to hold my pen like this when I write. However, everyone has their own preferences, so experimenting with different holds can dramatically change your handwriting. The fifth way is to not grip too hard. Gripping too hard on your pen, pencil or paper can lead to uneven handwriting and will also tire your hands much quicker. Relaxing your grip makes writing much easier and neater. The sixth way is to write slowly and take your time. At first, when you are trying to write neatly, you tend to write slower. However, as you get used to it, your writing will slowly improve and will become neater and faster. The seventh way is to write by hand whenever you can. So this basically means ditch your laptop whenever you can and write by hand. Writing neatly requires some practice, so sneaking some in by writing and not typing will get you a little bit closer to having neat notes. The eighth way is to find some inspiration. Scrolling through the internet and finding other people's neat notes definitely boosts your motivation and also helps you in deciding the style of your notes. The ninth way is to use a highlighter on your notes. This is definitely one of the simplest yet most effective tip on this list. All you have to do is go through your notes and start highlighting your titles or keywords. This just adds a bit of color and makes the important information pop out. The 10th way is to learn how to write aesthetically pleasing titles. I like to write my titles in cursive, then add a drop shadow with my highlighter. But there are really simple titles that you can learn that look super cool. Comment down below if you would like me to do a video on different titles. The 11th way is to keep your handwriting consistent. Even if your handwriting itself may not be the cutest or the prettiest, if you keep your letters consistent in size and shape, and if you keep your spacing consistent, it can actually make your notes look super aesthetically pleasing. This is super easy because you don't even need to change your handwriting. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and please comment what video you would like me to do next. Bye guys, see you next time.